Are you tired of juggling multiple calendars, deciphering cryptic appointment notes, and feeling overwhelmed by the administrative side of your business? What if there was a way to streamline your scheduling, client management, and even payment processing, all from one intuitive platform? Today, we're diving into the world of Vagaro, a powerhouse solution designed to simplify the lives of beauty, fitness, and wellness professionals. Whether you're a seasoned salon owner, a bustling gym manager, a freelance massage therapist, or a budding yoga instructor, Vagaro offers a robust suite of tools to help you reclaim your time and focus on what you do best, serving your clients. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk you through the entire process of setting up your very own Vagaro account, from the initial sign-up to customizing your services and getting ready for your first booking. We'll cover every essential step, ensuring you feel confident and empowered to leverage Vagaro to its full potential. So, let's begin our journey. The first step to unlocking Vagaro's potential is creating your account. Head over to Vagaro.com. You'll see an option to sign up or get started. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose your business type. Vagaro caters to a wide range of industries, so select the one that best describes your services. Whether it's a salon, spa, fitness studio, or even a mobile business, this initial selection helps Vagaro tailor your experience and present you with relevant features. Next, you'll enter your basic business information. This includes your business name, address, phone number, and email address. Make sure this information is accurate and professional, as it will be visible to your clients. You'll also be asked to create a strong password. Remember, this is the key to your business operations, so choose a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to maximize security. Once you've filled out these details, you'll likely be asked to review and agree to Vagaro's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to quickly skim these documents to understand the platform's policies. After agreeing, you'll hit Create Account, and congratulations! You've officially taken the first step towards a more organized and efficient business. Now that your account is created, it's time to personalize your Vagaro experience and make it truly reflect your brand. The first area we'll focus on is your business profile. Think of this as your digital storefront. Here you can upload your business logo, which will appear on your booking page, marketing materials, and client notifications. A high-quality, professional logo is crucial for brand recognition. You'll also want to add a compelling business description. This is your opportunity to tell potential clients what makes your business unique. Highlight your specialties, your philosophy, and what clients can expect when they choose your services. Be concise yet informative, and use keywords that potential clients might search for. Don't forget to link your social media profiles. Vagaro allows you to integrate your Facebook, Instagram, and other social media pages directly into your profile. This makes it easy for clients to connect with you across different platforms and see more of your work. Next up, let's talk about services. This is where you'll define every service you offer, from haircuts and color treatments to personal training sessions and yoga classes. For each service, you'll need to provide a clear and concise name, a detailed description, and the duration of the service. Be specific in your descriptions. If you offer different types of massages, for example, clearly define each one and its benefits. Crucially, you'll also set the price for each service. Vagaro offers flexibility here, allowing you to set a fixed price, a starting price, or even a tiered pricing structure. Consider any add-ons or upsells you might offer and include them as separate services if needed. Categories are a great way to organize your services, especially if you offer a wide variety. For instance, a salon might have categories like hair services, nail services, and skincare. This makes it easier for clients to navigate your booking page and find exactly what they're looking for. Now, let's move on to arguably one of the most important aspects: staff members. If you have employees, Vagaro allows you to create individual profiles for each team member. For each staff member, you'll add their name, contact information, and a professional headshot. This personalizes the booking experience for your clients, allowing them to choose their preferred stylist, trainer, or therapist. Crucially, you'll also need to assign services to each staff member. This ensures that only the relevant services appear when a client is booking with a specific team member. You can also set their individual working hours and availability, which will directly impact the booking calendar. Vagaro's robust scheduling features allow for custom availability, break times, and even recurring schedules, giving you complete control. With your services and staff defined, it's time to consider online booking settings. This is where you control how clients book appointments through your Vagaro page. You can customize your booking policy, setting rules for cancellations, no-shows, and late arrivals. This helps manage client expectations and protect your business. You can also choose to require deposits for certain services, which is an excellent way to reduce no-shows and secure revenue. Vagaro integrates seamlessly with various payment processors, allowing you to collect deposits and full payments securely online. Notifications are a vital part of the client experience. Vagaro allows you to set up automated email and text message reminders for appointments, confirmations, and even follow-up messages. This significantly reduces no-shows and keeps your clients informed. Customize the message content to reflect your brand's voice and provide all necessary details. Finally, let's touch upon integrations. Vagaro understands that your business likely uses other tools, and it offers various integrations to streamline your workflow. Explore options for integrating with accounting software, marketing platforms, and even popular social media channels. These integrations can save you valuable time and improve data flow across your operations. Before you go live, take some time to thoroughly review all your settings. Navigate to your public booking page and test the booking process as if you were a client. Make sure all your services are listed correctly, prices are accurate, and your staff's availability is set up as intended. It's always a good idea to do a test booking to ensure everything is flowing smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.